Hello there, fellow humans. Welcome to the wild world of cryptocurrency. It's like money but cooler, and digital, and potentially worth millions, or nothing at all. Now I know what you're thinking. Isn't cryptocurrency just magic internet money? Well, there's a bit more to it than that. Imagine if you could create a currency out of thin air, without any government telling you what to do. Well, that's basically what cryptocurrency is. It's digital money that exists only in the virtual world. But here's the kicker. Unlike your rapidly dwindling self-worth, cryptocurrency actually has value. Real value that people are willing to pay for with actual physical money. Now, before you rush off to sell your grandmother's china for some Bitcoin, let's take a moment to understand what we're dealing with here. So buckle up, Buttercup. We're about to dive into the ones and zeros of the future of money. Alright, let's start with the basics. What exactly is cryptocurrency? It's like regular money, but created by computers and stored in digital wallets. Now, you might be wondering, how can something that doesn't physically exist have value? Well, cryptocurrency has value because people believe it has value. The most famous cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, created by a mysterious figure known as Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin paved the way for thousands of other cryptocurrencies, each with their own quirks. But here's where it gets interesting. Unlike traditional currencies, most cryptocurrencies have a limited supply. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins, for example. This scarcity is part of what gives them value. And thus, the crypto craze was born. Let's move on to the technology behind it. Now, let's talk about the backbone of cryptocurrency blockchain. Blockchain is the technology that makes cryptocurrency possible. Think of it as a digital ledger that records all transactions. But instead of being kept in a dusty old book, it's distributed across thousands of computers around the world. Every transaction is recorded and verified by multiple computers, making it incredibly difficult to fake or manipulate. This system is called distributed ledger technology. Because the ledger is distributed, there's no central authority controlling it. It's incredibly secure. Hacking a blockchain would be like trying to rob a bank, where every single customer is also a security guard. It's also transparent. Anyone can look at the blockchain and see all the transactions that have ever occurred. Privacy and transparency all rolled into one neat little package. So now that we understand what blockchain is, let's talk about how it keeps your digital doubloons safe. In the world of cryptocurrency, security is paramount. The blockchain acts like a high-tech vault, using complex mathematics and cryptography. Every transaction on the blockchain is bundled into a block along with other transactions that happened around the same time. This block is then chained to the previous block, creating a long, unbroken chain of transactions. Each block is secured using a cryptographic puzzle that's incredibly difficult to solve. That's where mining comes in. Miners are computers that work to solve these puzzles and add new blocks to the chain. When they succeed, they're rewarded with new cryptocurrency. It's like getting paid in digital tokens for solving complex mathematical problems. Now that we've got the technical mumbo-jumbo out of the way, let's talk about what you can actually do with cryptocurrency. The first ever real-world Bitcoin transaction was in 2010, when a programmer bought 2 pizzas for 10,000 Bitcoin. Today, those same 10,000 Bitcoin would be worth, well, let's just say he could buy a pizza chain instead of a couple of pizzas. Since then, cryptocurrency has come a long way. Today, you can use various cryptocurrencies to buy everything from coffee to cars. Some companies even offer to pay their employees in crypto, but it's not just about buying stuff. Cryptocurrency and blockchain technology have the potential to revolutionize industries beyond finance. For example, some people are using blockchain to create tamper-proof voting systems. There's even talk of using cryptocurrency for interplanetary commerce. Well, folks, we've reached the end of our cryptocurrency crash course. I hope you're feeling enlightened, or at the very least, slightly less confused than when we started. We've covered a lot of ground, from the basics of what cryptocurrency is, to the intricacies of blockchain technology, to the real-world applications that might just change the way we think about money. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is cryptocurrency really the future? Well, nobody knows for sure. Cryptocurrency could be the next big thing, revolutionizing finance and changing the world as we know it. Or it could go the way of the Beanie Baby, leaving a trail of regretful investors in its wake. What we do know is that cryptocurrency and blockchain technology have the potential to solve some real-world problems. They offer a level of security and transparency that traditional financial systems struggle to match. So, whether you decide to dive into the world of cryptocurrency or stick with good old-fashioned cash, at least now you have a better understanding of what all the fuss is about. The future is virtually here, and it's as confusing and exciting as ever.